Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, there's a huge reason why I was able to lose more than 34 pounds in less than 90 days. And that reason is meal replacement shakes. After all, the best way to speed up your body's metabolism and lose weight is by eating small, well-balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours. Now, for those of us with busy lives, eating that often can be challenging, if not impossible. That's why meal replacements are so useful. Meal replacements are probably the most valuable weight loss secret on the market. Look, we gain weight by having poor eating habits, so the only way to lose weight is to reverse the cycle and develop good eating habits. Meal replacements make this possible. Meal replacements are pre-packaged protein drink mixes that you mix with water, milk, or juice and then drink in the place of a meal. To start losing a lot of weight, simply replace 1 or 2 of your whole food meals with meal replacements. Do that and you'll drastically cut calories that would otherwise be stored as fat where you don't want it. Thighs, buns, waist, hips, arms, belly. Anyone? Meal replacements provide a perfect, compact meal in a packet that's high in protein, low in fat, and low in carbs. In order to get the same benefits and nutrition from whole food, you'd have to put together a large meal like a chicken breast, a potato or rice for carbs, and a salad for the vitamins. You'd have to do this 6 times a day. Why bother when you can just rip open a meal replacement packet and toss it into a cup with some water, skim milk? Presto! You have instant, healthy nutrition. They're very affordable too, considering you're getting an entire meal for under $2. It's hard to find something that nutritious and low in calories for less than $2. Many people I've talked with over the years tell me that meal replacements were one of the biggest reasons they were able to lose a lot of weight in less time. The meal replacement I personally use and feel works the best is the Visalus Vi-Shape meal replacement. It's often called the shake mix that tastes like cake mix. This shake is the foundation of their balance kit. The Body by Vi Balance Kit is designed to give your body the exact nutrition it needs to help you lose weight. This kit contains 30 servings of balanced nutrition with the Vi-Shape Nutritional Shake mix for once-a-day balanced nutrition. The kit includes an assortment of health flavors to add flavor variety and added health benefits to your shake. The cost per shake is less than many people spend on one fast food lunch or breakfast on the go. And it provides much more nutrition and health support for maximum weight loss. When mixed with milk or soy milk, it provides 20 to 22 grams of protein, which is the perfect balance to burn fat and build lean muscle. There's a reason the Visalus Vi Shakes are called the shake mix that tastes like cake mix. It's that good. What's more, it's also gluten-free, lactose-free, has low sodium, is diabetic friendly, and has low sugar. Anyone who wants to lose weight, get fit, or build lean muscle can use it. The shake mix also helps control appetite, helps promote and maintain lean muscle mass, helps support healthy energy levels while cutting calories, and supports a healthy metabolism. Vi-Shape offers you a fast, healthy meal that can save you money while providing amazing nutrition. Besides, how much do you spend on one meal each day? Let's just say your regular lunch is $5.00, and that's on the low end. If you go out to just about any restaurant, you're looking closer to $10. But not only that, how many calories are in your normal, everyday lunch? And guess where those extra calories are going? That's right, they're going to your waistline. But with a Visalus Body by Vi Balance Kit, you can get 30 complete meals for just $49 a month. That means each meal is only $1.64. That's less than a slice of pizza. It's less than a burger. It's less than a sub sandwich. It's even less than if you packed your own lunch.So. Instead of spending money on food that's not going to help you lose weight, why not invest just $1.64 towards a healthy, nutritious meal that will help you lose weight? So just skip a daily coffee or a daily burger or any other food item you'd normally get during your day. and instead, invest that $1.64 into a high-quality, high-protein nutritious meal each and every day.